All right, so this is a guided walkthrough for the Maia level from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So let's take a look at the mission.txt file and begin the level. So this is mission number 35. The description says, the user Gloria has forgotten the last 2 characters of her password. They only remember that they were 2 lowercase letters. So 2 lowercase letters. Huh. That's interesting. Okay, so let's take a look at what's in the what is in our home directory. So this is forget file over here. So I guess this is what we have of the password, but there are 2 characters that are missing over here. And from the description of the level, these should be 2 lowercase letters. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this offline. We're going to make a little word list that that does brute force on this string right here, but the brute force portion is going to be for the last 2 characters of the password. So what we're going to do is we're just going to go offline. We're going to go over to our Kali Linux terminal here, and we're going to create a little word list. And the word list is going to be, it's going to go a bit like this. So this is just a little bash script. The bash script is for I in lowercase a to z, so 2 lowercase letters over here. We're going to echo out what we know of the password, and it's going to be substituted in over in this section over here, this variable called I. And remember that I is 2 lowercase letters right here. And then we're going to output that to a file called passwords.txt. Okay, so when we run this, and we take a look at passwords.txt, we're going to see all of the iterations of what we know of the password with the last 2 characters substituted in as all the characters from A to Z. So it's basically, it's a lot of different characters. If we take a look at passwords.txt and we do a word count, so we see that there are 676 lines in this file. What we're going to do is we're going to try to brute force log in with this file with this word list over here. So remember that the user we're trying to log in as is the Gloria user. So we're going to do Hydra with 32 threads, and we're going to log in as Gloria, and we're going to use a password list called passwords.txt. And we're going to send this to ssh/venus.hackmyvm.eu at port 5000. Okay, so here we go. We're going to brute force with the password list we created as the Gloria user. Let's see what happens. Okay, so it looks like we're trying to log in as the Gloria user with the different passwords that we tried. And let's see if Hydra can successfully brute force us in here. Okay, oh, we found it. All right. So we were able to brute force the credentials for the Gloria user using our custom password list over here. And we found it was this over here for the Maia level. Let's write our little after action report over here. Okay, so we've saved this. Let's go over to, this is level number 35. Let's edit this. Okay. So for this level, the target user, the target user was the Gloria user, and the method of solve for this level was to create a custom password list, then brute force an SSH login for the Gloria user. Okay, and the key commands that we used for this level were this. Let me just copy paste. There you go. Okay, so first we created our custom word list with this command over here, and then we used Hydra to brute force in. All right, let's commit those changes. Okay, so this was a guided walkthrough for the Maia level, otherwise known as level number 35, from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough video, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment under the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.